Hi and good morning all of you. So this was a very difficult time for me, my family when COVID just hit us. But yes, I am absolutely fine now. With everything by God's grace is under control. So today we'll talk about storytelling skills. Every professional, especially finance professionals, should have storytelling skills. You will be surprised, ma'am, what are you talking about? Finance professionals should have number skills. They should have intelligence skills. Storytelling. We need to tell story to someone? Yes. How? So let's just assume you go for a small interview and the interviewer first asks you, tell me something about yourself. That's the basic question which comes to every individual when he's sitting for an interview. To answer that question, how effectively, how impressively you tell your own life, your own personality, who you are, that matters the most. That means the most crucial part in the first question itself in an interview is explaining something about yourself. Now, how do you tell that? That becomes better if you have good storytelling skills. You start with how you started your career, what challenges you faced, what was the most difficult time which you tried to overcome and you really succeeded in overcoming that time. This all is a part of your story, and how you tell that comes from good storytelling skills. So it's not just about the interviews. I'll come to the next part also. ACCA P-level exams. There also your storytelling skills do matter. You will say, ma'am, after COVID you actually have lost it. No, I'll tell you the basic thing here. So when you're writing answers to case study in the P-level exams, you have to build up the case. You need to first give the introduction. Then you need to showcase how effectively, how structured you can write, how structured you can explain yourself and the case to the examiner. That again comes with the storytelling skills. Go sequentially. First introduce the whole case. First give a summary of what the whole case is all about. What are you going to talk about? Then talk about how the circumstances are impacting the case. What can be done so that the company comes out of this trouble? And at the end, give a conclusion. This is how stories are given. First, an introduction. There was a king. He had two sons. One was very intelligent, one was cruel. This is how story is built, right? And this is the same way if you start expressing yourself like a story, that actually creates interest in the minds of the listener and even your reader. And this is where I am saying that the storytelling skill becomes very important even if you are a finance professional. So why not start reading some stories from today? At least let's just see how stories are built up. Which story can actually keep you reading the story for a very long period of time? That means there is something special in the story writing skill of the writer. Why not create that skill? Let's just begin doing that. I'm very sure if you achieve that, it is definitely going to help you better your writing skills. And even after you become a professional, whenever you will be presenting the case in front of the whole team, again, these storytelling skills will come into picture because you'll build up your case, your own proposal with some good logics, and you will conclude also in a very effective manner. So understand the importance of storytelling skills and start working on it. All the best. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourself in this tough time. Thank you. Take care.